Today we will review the installation procedure on the Xpress 1200 calendar unit. To unbox the unit, let's check the tools we will need. An electric screwdriver will make the unboxing easier. Please note that the unit comes with a toolbox with the additional tools you will need. Unscrew the top of the crate in order to remove it. Continue with all the other crate covers by starting with the front one. Gently remove the protective metallic paper that covers the unit. Then cut the excess pieces. Loose all the bolts that hold the unit to the pallet with the open-ended wrench. With a forklift, lift the unit and slide the pallet. Then, put it back on the floor. Carefully remove the shrink wrap that holds the media cores and all the elements to assemble the unit. Unlock the unit wheels to have the table in the front. Then rotate the calendar. Start taking all the necessary parts from the back of the machine, and set them on the floor to get them quickly during the assembly. You can start in the back of the unit by installing the fabric rewind bar. Hold the bar with the security pins once it is in place. Loose the bolts that hold the table in place. Remove the pins that prevent the table to be raised. Prepare the left and right side beam assembly that will support the table front. Then lift the table. On each side, you will use one pin and one screw to attach the table to the side beam assembly. Start with one side and then continue with the other side. Be sure to secure and tighten the screws properly. Locate the strengthening rib corner under the table and next to the beam assembly. Use the screws to hold it in place. This will prevent the table from moving during the unit operation. Secure the part in one side and then do the same thing on the other side. With a bubble level, check that the table is completely level, and if is not, you can adjust the height of each foot on the beam assemblies. In order to install the jointed table profile, remove the screws from the machine body. and then use them to tight the jointed table to the table and to the frame of the calendar. To finalize with the table structure, you need to install the bottom supporting beam. Remove the screws on it, and use them to secure the part to the left and right side beam assemblies. Once we finish, we can set the tension bar and the roller feeders. Set the tension bar on the right beam, and secure with a screw to the manual tension controller that will be located on the left side beam. To install the paper idler bar to the frame of the unit, start by removing the screws, and then install the bar holder on each side of it. Now set the bar in place and secure it with a secure pin on both ends. To finalize with this assembly process, you will install the printed paper and the fabric feeding bars. The process is similar for both. Start with one side and then place the other end on the bar support. Once it is placed properly, secure each end with a secure pin. The Xpress C-1200 calendar is ready to use. Check on the media feeding video on our channel for instructions on how to load the unit properly. Thanks for watching. For additional information, please visit us at www.graphics1.com. Send us an email to sales@graphics1.com or call us to 1-818-260-9591. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Graphics One videos.